Good morning, grade 1. Our lesson today about subtraction. Today I go to the club with my friend Mona and I have 4 balls to play with it. Mona, my friend, asked me to take away 1 ball from my balls, and she asked me about how many balls are left with me. How many balls are remainder? But I can't answer. I don't know how many balls are left with me. Mona told me that I should know and learn the subtraction lesson. So I come today to learn the subtraction and know how many balls are left with me. Okay, in this story, Mona take away ball from my balls. Okay, is this right? Yes. Okay, so in subtraction, I take away. Mona take away ball from 4 balls. Mona take away, okay? Here, now I take away 2 balls. Now I take away 2 balls. And here I take away 3 balls. So in subtraction, I take away, okay? Remember, in subtraction, I take away. Okay, here, do you remember the addition sign? In addition, we have plus sign. And in subtraction, today we have a new sign. The sign of subtraction is minus. This sign, the sign of subtraction, called minus. The sign of subtraction called minus. Okay. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. Read the sign. What is the sign? Minus. This is the subtraction sign. Here I have 1 car equals. Oh, I want now to take away 1 car from these cars. Okay, let's count how many cars here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and here I have 1 car. Okay, we said that in subtraction I take away. If I want to take away 1 car from these cars, I cancel it. I cancel this car. So now I want to know how many cars are left with me. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Here I have 3 cars are left with me. Let's see, is this right? Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So this is right. In subtraction, I take away. If I want to take away car from this cars, I cancel it and count how many cars are left. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is right. Okay, this is in pictures. Read the title now. Complete. Okay. Here, put in numbers. I can't take away 6. I don't have pictures here. What can I do? Okay, in subtraction, I count from the smallest number to reach the greatest number. I count from the smallest number to reach the greatest number. Okay, here read 9 minus 6. Where is the smallest number here? Ask yourself, where is the smallest number? The smallest number here is number 6. So remember, in subtraction, I count from the smallest number to reach the greatest number. So here, I count from number 6 to reach number 9. Okay, now let's count. But before count, raise your closed fingers. Close your fingers and raise your hands. And if you say any number, open your finger, okay? So here I count after number 6 to reach number 9, okay? After 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, how many fingers? I have here 1, 2, 3 fingers. I have here 3 fingers. So the answer is 3. This is right. Okay, let's see. Another exercise. Read 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. Remember, in subtraction, I count from the smallest number to reach the greatest number. Ask yourself, where is the smallest number here? The smallest number is number 1. So, I close my finger and count after 1 to reach number 5. Here, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Okay. Remember, in subtraction we have 2 rules. The first rule, any number minus 0 equals the same number. Any number minus 0 equals the same number. If I have 2 poles and I take away 0, I take away nothing. 0 equals nothing. So I have the same number. So any number minus the same number equals 0. Okay, let's see. Read. 4 minus 0. Okay, if I see this question, I remember the rule. Any number minus 0 equals the same number. So 4 minus 0 equals the same number. So 4 minus 0 equals 4. Okay, another question. 7 minus 0. Okay, it's the same rule. Any number minus 0 equals the same number. So 7 minus 0 equals. Remember, in subtraction we have 2 rules. The first rule, any number minus 0 equals the same number. Any number minus 0 equals the same numbers. If I have 2 pens and I take away 0, I take away nothing, the answer will be the same number. I have 2 pens and I take away 0, I take away nothing. So the answer will be the same number. I have the same 2 pens. So here any number minus 0 equals the same number. Okay, let's see. 4 minus 0. Okay, I remember the rule. Any number minus 0 equals the same number. So 4 minus 0 equals the same numbers, and 4 minus 0 equals 4. Okay, another question. 7 minus 0. I remember the same rule. 7 minus 0. So any number minus 0 equals the same number. 7 minus 0 equals 7. Okay. The second rule, any number minus the same number equals 0. Any number minus the same number equals 0. I have here 2 pens and I take away 2 pens. How many pens are left? I don't have any pen. So any number minus the same number equals 0. Okay, let's see. 3 minus 3. I have 3 and I take away 3. So I remember the second rule. Any number minus the same number equals 0. So 3 minus 3 equals 0. Okay, another question. 8 minus 8. So it's the same number and minus the same number. So I remember the rule. Any number minus the same number equals 0. So 8 minus 8 equals 0. Okay, let's do this exercise. 3 minus 1. I remember in subtraction I count from the smallest number to reach the greatest number. Ask yourself, where is the smallest number here? The smallest number here is number 1. So I count after 1 to reach number 3. Okay, close your fingers and count after 1, 2, 3. Here, how many fingers? 2. So the answer is 2. Okay. 7 minus 3. Where is the smallest number? The smallest number here is number 3. So I count after 3 to reach number 7. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? I have 4 fingers. So the answer is 4. Okay. This is another way for subtraction. This is vertical way and this is horizontal way. Okay. Okay. By the same way, 9 minus 4. Ask yourself, where is the smallest number? The smallest number is number 4. So close your fingers and count after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, how many fingers? I have here 5 fingers. So the answer is 5. Okay, and 2 minus 1. Where is the smallest number? Is this number 2? No, 1 is the smallest number. So I count after 1 to reach number 2. Close your fingers. After 1, 2. How many fingers? I have only 1 finger. So the answer is 1. That's our lesson for today. Thank you and bye.